Look, it's the biggest lizard I've ever seen. Welcome to South Beach on 3, okay?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to South Beach!
Welcome to Miami. Welcome to Miami.
Cool. Where are you guys from?
Jersey, New York.
Now say I love Nikki Beach. Nikki Beach tailgate.
Maybe not as well. I haven't been here in so long.
You been here before?
I was a little bit this is my second home.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
But it hurt.
Yeah.
Like Biscayne Bay, like that's like
Yeah?
my second
Oh,
home.
no, that's awesome. traffic on Ocean Drive is going very smoothly.
I'm so fresh, man.
There you go.
My song.
Y'all scared to do it, I do it.
You will see on White Mansion with 2 yachts by the dock. This is one of the newest properties of Star. It was recently bought by the former soccer superstar David Beckham. What you're looking at right now is not the mansion. This is only the greenhouse and the backyard. You will see the mansion in just a moment. It belongs to a very famous doctor who was responsible for creating the generic blue pill that changed every man's world. The Viagra, Dr. Philip Frost. This mansion is worth $65 million. La pastillita azul que le cambió la vida a los caballeros. La Viagra, la mansión le pertenece al Dr. Philip Frost.
All right, did you guys happen to take note of the guy walking the street with a shotgun?
It's right next to the bridge and has a two-tone beige wall surrounded by a lot of trees, so you can't really see the mansion very well. It's hidden behind the landscape, but it belongs to the American rapper and producer P. Diddy, Puff Daddy. We're gonna have a closer look on the right side in just a moment as we turn here to the left.